Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to share something. It is very helpful. Many people have the same question. They ask, how can I learn English fast? Some think it is very hard, but the truth is, it is not so hard. If you follow the right way, you can learn quickly. In this video, I will show you simple steps. These steps are very easy. Anyone can follow them. So, listen carefully till the end. Learning English is not hard. Many people think it is very difficult, but this is not true. You only need the right way. You need to practice every day. You need to follow simple steps. If you do this, you will improve fast. The first step is practice. Practice makes everything better. When you practice daily, your mind becomes stronger. Speak a little English every day. Do not think you need a partner always. You can do it alone. You can do it in your home. This is called self-talk. Self-talk is very simple. You just say what you are doing. For example, say, I am waking up now. Say, I am brushing my teeth. Say, I am cooking food. Say, I am walking to school. These small sentences will make your brain think in English. It may feel funny in the beginning, but it will help you a lot. If you do this every day, your English will grow step by step. The second step is listening. Listening is very powerful. When you listen, you learn sounds. You learn the music of English. You learn how words are spoken. So, listen every day. You can listen to English songs. You can listen to English news. You can listen to short videos on YouTube. Do not worry if you cannot understand everything. This is normal. Just listen again and again. Slowly, your ears will catch more words. You will start to understand more and more and more. Think about a baby. A baby listens to his parents before speaking. The baby does not understand all words, but the baby listens daily. Slowly, the baby begins to speak. You can learn English in the same way. Listen a lot. Then you will speak better. The third step is reading. Reading is very helpful. It gives you new words. It shows you new sentences. Start with small stories. Start with easy articles. Do not start with hard books. If the words are too hard, you will feel tired. So choose easy words first. When you read, try to read loudly. Do not read silently all the time. Reading loudly will help your speaking too. Your mouth will practice the words. Your tongue will practice the sounds. Slowly, you will speak more clearly. Reading will also build your word bank. You will learn many new words and remember them better. The last step is writing.
Writing is very important. It makes your English clear. Start small. Write a few sentences daily. You can write about your day. For example, write, "Today I woke up early. I went to school. I met my friend." You can also write about your plans. For example, "Tomorrow I will visit my uncle. I will study English. I will play football." Writing helps you think. It helps you use words. It makes your grammar stronger. When you write every day, your English will grow fast. Now, let me share a secret with you. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Many people are scared to speak because they think they will make mistakes. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So speak, listen, read, and write without fear. Also, remember to repeat. Repetition is the key. If you repeat, you will remember. If you stop, you will forget. So, repeat words, repeat sentences, repeat the steps every day. This will make English part of your life.
Another tip is to enjoy learning. Do not study English like a big exam. Learn with fun. Watch your favorite movies in English. Listen to songs you love. Read stories that make you happy. Write about things you enjoy. If you enjoy, you will learn faster. Step by step, your English will get better. At first, you may know only a few words. Then, you will know more. At first, you may speak slowly. Later, you will speak faster. At first, you may feel shy. But later, you will feel confident. Confidence is very important. When you are confident, people listen to you. Confidence makes your voice strong. It makes your English sound better. You can build confidence by practicing every day. Speak even if you make mistakes. Smile when you speak. Enjoy the process. If you follow these steps, you will learn English fast. You will understand more. You will speak better. You will read with joy. You will write with power. And one day, you will look back and say, "Yes, I did it." So, remember the 4 steps. Speak a little English daily. Listen to English daily. Read English daily. And write English daily. These are simple steps, but if you do them every day, you will see a big change. English is not far from you. It is close to you. It is waiting for you. You only need time. You only need practice. You only need patience. And if you give these 3 things, you will be successful. Start today. Speak 1 sentence. Listen for 5 minutes. Read 1 page. Write 3 lines. Do this every day. Slowly, you will become better. Slowly, you will feel stronger. And soon, you will speak English easily, fast, and effectively. So, my friends, now you know the simple steps. Speak every day. Listen every day. Read every day. And write every day. These small actions will make a big change in your life. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Do not stop learning. If you practice daily, you will speak English fast and effectively. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel
for more simple English learning videos. See you again in the next video.